Hello there, family friend. If you're from across the road, Joey Jones. I'm still out here, but I'm not driving right now. First, I want to say thank you for your support. Thank you for all of you that have been following me, subscribing to my channel. You know, it's been a journey out here, you know, on the road, trying to make this money, man. You know how it is, how we do. We always try to chase that money. It's been a blessing for me to be here and blessing you, teaching you drivers how to obtain your CDL Class A license. I want to say that I'm thankful for you guys, and once again, thank God. I had to get out of trucking because it was not good for my health. So what happened is that, you know, when you're trucking and you're driving a lot of miles, every time you eat, you're not burning calories. So that there, it can get dangerous. It can turn into diabetes, you know, and you want to basically stay away from stuff like that, you know, because every time you eat, you got to burn them calories. If you don't burn them calories, it's just going to get your stomach. I was getting a big belly. People thought that I was drinking beer. No, it wasn't not the beer, because I do, you know, I might drink a couple beers, you know, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 beers. But it was not the beer. It was just for sitting all them hours, driving all them hours. You know, right now, I'm not driving no more. I'm an instructor. So then that's when, like, my friend here, Americhex, yeah, my friend Americ Hendricks, yeah, he's been one of my subscribers for forever. I want to say that now, the reason why I lost weight was because, you know, now I'm more active. You know, this is my yard. And we was doing some performing maneuvers earlier with smaller trucks. We get the bigger trucks. We got a course for 53 footers, and we got a course for box truck footers, for box trucks and smaller trucks. You know, and this is what I've been doing. I do them early. I don't post them yet because, you know, I do have to get like a permission from them, because so the policy is that they don't want you to, you know, to promote them or put they don't want their names out there. So then once, you know, I get an approval, then we can continue and show you guys how to perform these maneuvers. So yeah, so then I'm doing a lot better. You know, I'm walking more, I'm more active, I'm walking. So that helps me a lot more. It helps out my legs. My legs are not swollen as they used to be. And that goes for a lot of people. Like, I've seen a lot of people, they chunky, they got a thicker neck, you know, and that's sleep apnea. You got to be careful with that, because when you get that thick neck, that's when your sleep apnea starts to kick in. Yeah, so that's when you get your DOT and they measure your neck, because you're sitting in your behind all this for so many hours, and you're gaining all that weight. You're not burning calories, you're just gaining weight, and that's not healthy, you know. But if you have time, because I didn't have time. All I did was 14 hours with the company that I was with. We were doing 14 hours a day plus personal convenience. That's the one thing. Stay away from personal convenience. Yeah, like dispatch had you doing this personal convenience, doing so many hours and so many, driving all the way to Boston, coming back, and then they wanted you to take the load back in the port. And I'm like, whoa, I just did almost 600 miles, and now you still want me to drive into the port? That's a big no-no. So I got tired of that too, you know. Yeah, because dispatch, they just want you to keep moving. As long as you're sitting in that truck, they just continue to want you. And then they know about personal convenience, so then they want you to take advantage of that. Yeah, so then don't use personal convenience, because if you get caught by DOT, that's a big no-no. That's a big fine right there. All right, my peoples. So once again, be safe, much love, peace. I'm still here. I'm still Joey Jones. I'm still doing what I'm doing. And I'll catch you in my next video. God bless you all. Much love. And be safe out there, all right? So once again, if you have time to get out the trucking and then go to the gym and stuff, then yeah, that'll be great. But if you're working 14 hours plus personal convenience, 16 hours, 18 hours a day, plus go to the gym, it's tiredness. It's not, you can't really do it. You have no time. Because that was me. Every day, 14 hours a day, 14 hours plus personal convenience. And I'm done with that. All right, my people, so much love, peace, safe. I'll catch you in my next video. Later, peace.